Understanding the Global Mindset, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept, the global mindset. Understanding this term is not just about learning new words. It's about grasping a perspective that's becoming increasingly important in our interconnected world. So, let's dive in. A global mindset is a way of thinking that transcends geographical and cultural boundaries. It involves being open to and understanding different cultures, practices, and viewpoints. It's not just about traveling or speaking multiple languages. It's about having an inclusive attitude and a curiosity about the world. We'll explore how this mindset impacts communication, business, and personal growth. Here, we'll break down the key components of a global mindset. Cultural awareness, understanding and respecting cultural differences. Adaptability, being flexible and open to new experiences. Global knowledge, staying informed about world events and global trends. Empathy, the ability to see things from others' perspectives. How can you develop a global mindset? It's not an overnight process, but there are ways to cultivate it. Travel and exposure, experience different cultures directly or through books and media. Language learning, understand the nuances of different languages, including non-verbal communication. Networking, connect with people from diverse backgrounds. Continuous learning, stay curious and keep learning about the world. Here, we'll provide examples of how a global mindset can be applied in daily life, from personal interactions to professional settings. Understanding cultural nuances in conversation, being adaptable in diverse teams, and respecting different viewpoints are all part of this mindset. Every concept has its challenges. We'll address common misconceptions about the global mindset, such as the idea that it's only for travelers or business people. We'll also discuss how to overcome barriers like language differences and cultural misunderstandings. Thank you for joining us in exploring the global mindset. Remember, developing this mindset is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuously expanding your understanding and being open to the diverse tapestry of our world. We hope this video has been enlightening and encourages you to embrace a more global perspective in your language learning journey. See you in the next video.